कल में ना जीना, हमें पल में जीना है।
अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का।
ना वो कल जो गुजर गया, ना वो कल जो आना है।
क्या बात है। यार ने ही लूट लिया घर यार का।
पल में जीना, पल में खुशी है।
Very beautiful.
In English you say the past, the future, but here it is pal, kal और kal.
Correct. I like the way you rhyme these things. I think very few people can do this. English में भी आप जो rhyme करते हो ना, it's amazing. I think that's your biggest USP.
पल आनंदा, पल में शांति है।
The books was written, a book by Air, Atman and Ravi.
The book he picked is called What Are You Going to Do With Today?
And I felt somewhere I'm connected to you. So I went home, I read the book, and I finished almost half the book in by 1 o'clock in the night.
My God.
And I finished half the book, and everything was one page. What are you going to do today? And I like the way you rhymed it. Or that book, it really touched my heart.
What are you going to do today? In that book, I don't know whether you saw it, that book says life is just a minute, only 60 seconds in it.
This book changed my life. Principles are of whatever you're writing. I'm following that even now.
Very good.
आपने इतने books दिए, I read every day at least 10 pages of each book. So I'm finishing all your thoughts. They ring in my day-to-day life.
The moment you have expectation, वो प्यार does not, it becomes a transaction. तुम मुझे प्यार करो, मैं तुम्हें प्यार करूंगा, तुम नहीं करोगी तो मैं नहीं करूंगा. But in प्रेम योगा, in real love, एक और एक, ना दो ना 11, एक और एक is equal to एक.
क्या बात है. ये तो देखो, again it goes back to Dadaji only.
Correct. But have you had some very tough times?
Yes, I had very tough times. Very tough times. I was only 13 years old when my father expired.
I don't know if have you heard of the poem Footprints? Have you heard of the poem Footprints?
No.
The footprints you're seeing were not your footprints.
They were mine.
I was carrying you in your toughest of times.
What a thought. शुक्रिया शुक्रिया दर्द जो तुमने दिया.
अरे वाह.
ये खता हमसे हुई, प्यार जो तुमसे किया, ना कोई शिकवा गिला तुमसे ओ बेवफा. प्यार तो था ही नहीं, प्यार जो तुमने किया. शुक्रिया दर्द जो तुमने दिया.
Good evening and welcome to an amazing evening with Nikhil Kamath. Like I said, the one and only music director, composer, of course Indian music, born and brought up in Mumbai, began his career in 1991 and a very, very famous and acclaimed music director of the era. Nikhil not only involved with film industry, also trained in Indian classical music. So he's a very talented person, debuted as a composer with the flick Pyar Bhara Dil. All of you must be familiar with this. And then Banke Kitab Teri with T-Series became a very, very popular hit. So this is Nikhil Kamath. This was only the starting step towards success for Nikhil. And there was no turning back. He worked for some very, very popular hits, including Tum Bin, Hum Tumhare Hai Sanam, Dulara, so many. And that one song, Achha Sila Diya, proved to be a milestone in Nikhil's career, a record-breaking music score of that year. My dear friends, I'd like to give a very warm welcome to Nikhil. He has become a very amazing friend and it's such a pleasure to be welcome and look forward to this amazing evening together. Before we start even talking, I want to hear from Nikhil a few words of that song, Achha Sila Diya, because that is something people would love to hear from you.
Yeah, actually, it was an album which we did from the album Bewafa Sanam. और वो इट वाज अ वेरी सिंपल सॉन्ग. अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का, अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का, यार ने ही लूट लिया घर यार का, यार ने ही लूट लिया घर यार का, अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का.
Beautiful. That song is a very, very famous and hit song, and it was great for you to say those few words. Actually, it is only destiny, karma, divine will that Nikhil happened to pick one of my books, and I'd like to hear in Nikhil's own words how we got connected, how this podcast is happening. So maybe Nikhil will tell us how exactly this happened.
Sure. I love listening to podcasts. तो एक दिन मैं कुछ सुन रहा था सब पॉडकास्ट, तो आपका पॉडकास्ट था शायद करण जौहर जी के साथ. So that's when I got very engrossed in the podcast because it was a mixture of spiritualism and music and naturally his career and everything. And then I read about you and I was amazed to read your story about how you gave up everything to serve people and do good things in life. And that's when I also read that you write books also. Cut to I was in Inorbit Mall and there was a big sale in Bombay. And I just, there were 1,000 books, and I just went ahead and picked up 3-4 books. And one of the books was written, a book by Air, Atman and Ravi. And I said, my God. And then the whole flashback started, because I'm also a follower of the famous Dada Vaswani ji. And I read in your, this thing, in your
Biography.
about you also. And I felt somewhere I'm connected to you. So I went home, I read the book, and I finished almost half the book in by 1 o'clock in the night.
My God.
7 o'clock I bought the book and I finished half the book and everything was one page. What are you going to do today? What are you going to do today? Are you going to waste the day or do something this? And I like the way you rhymed it. Or that book, it really touched my heart. So next morning I took your WhatsApp number and I sent you a photograph. And I just wanted to thank you that continue doing this because sometimes a book can save a life also.
Amazing. What an amazing. Some people will call it a coincidence. I call it divine intervention. Because today, Nikhilji and me, we have recorded our first song with his amazing music. He inspired me to write a song which we will cover before we end. I hope to cover that. But sometimes a partnership, a meeting, a connection, people say it's a coincidence. It's not a coincidence. It is a divine manifestation. It is a divine intervention. The book he picked is called What Are You Going to Do with Today? The book is What
Yes.
Are You Going to Do with Today? And this is our biggest challenge in our life. What are you going to do with today? In that book, I don't know whether you saw it, that book says, life is just a minute. Life is just a minute, only 60 seconds in it. Forced upon you, can't refuse it, didn't seek it, didn't choose it, but it's up to you to use it. You must suffer if you lose it. Give an account if you abuse it. Just a tiny little minute, but eternity is in it. That is in this book. And I must say that this book is what connected both of us together. What are you going to do with today? We waste today and today becomes yesterday. And then we are worried about tomorrow. And because we are worried about tomorrow, we lose today.
Very true. Air Saab, I just want to tell you that this book changed my life. Because sometimes you don't know what can trigger the positivity or remove your negativity. In this case, when I saw this book, I don't know, it gave me a massive surge of energy. That why are we thinking about tomorrow, kal aage kya hoga and all that? Why don't we live this moment in the best way we can?
But everybody knows if I tell somebody, I'll give you 10 crores, go to yesterday and change the shirt I was wearing yesterday. Can they go and change it?
No,
They
no.
can't. If I give 10 crores and say, you go to tomorrow and ye nahi hona hai kal, can anybody do it?
No.
But unfortunately, Nikhilji, the problem is that although we know it, I write songs.
Yes.
And you know that now that we've started doing it, one of the songs I've written, maybe we'll make a song. It says, Kal mein na jeena, हमें पल में जीना है, ना वो कल जो गुजर गया, ना वो कल जो आना है.
क्या बात है.
पल में जीना, पल में खुशी है, पल आनंदा, पल में शांति है, पल जो खोता, जीवन खोता है.
Correct.
पल में ही तो सच्ची खुशी है.
Beautiful.
In Hindi, it's so beautiful. He says, कल में ना जीना, हमें पल में जीना है.
Yes.
ना वो कल जो गुजर गया, ना वो कल जो See how beautiful it is, right?
Very beautiful.
In English, you say the past, the future, but here it is pal, kal, or kal.
Correct. I like the way you rhyme these things. I think very few people can do this. और English में भी आप जो rhyme करते हो ना, it's amazing. I think that's your biggest USP.
This is a gift from the divine, and whatever I do, I don't believe I do anything. Prabhu सब कुछ करते हैं. There's a divine who is inside you and inside me. So when people go to मंदिर and they say मंदिर में आके पूजा करते हैं, I tell people इंसान में ही भगवान है, भगवान नहीं आसमान में है, कण कण में प्रभु की शक्ति ही है, हर जीव में भगवान है.
क्या बात है.
हर इंसान में भगवान है. तुम भगवान को ढूंढ रहा है, लेकिन भगवान तुम्हारे आगे सामने पीछे हर जगह भगवान है
Yes.
और तुम भगवान को ढूंढ रहे हैं. It's very sad, right? कि the Atma, the soul in you and me, Atma ही परमात्मा है. In the
Yes.
Vedas, in the Upanishads, the Mahavakyas, people today are talking of Sanatan Dharma and things like that. People are saying Kumbh Mela में जाके डुबकी मारना. Good, go to Kumbh Mela. डुबकी में you can do Kumbh Mela में डुबकी. But just by doing one dip in the Ganga, you can't get mukti and moksha. हमें एहसास होना है in the Upanishads नेति नेति तत्त्वमसि. So this is what it is. But it's all about what is beautiful in you. You have such enthusiasm. You have so much presence of mind that I always find you cheerful and I always find you so joyous and you have so much acceptance and so much surrender. How do you do it? What gives you this power?
See, actually, I owe it to Dada Vaswani ji.
Okay.
Because when I was in HR college, where even Karan Johar studied,
Okay.
so we used to go to KC college, to play and all that. And in the evenings, Dadaji's, those lectures used to
Used
come.
to be there, yeah.
And honestly, we were more interested in the samosas and the chai because that time we were in college. So we knew, अच्छा दादा वासवानी जी का भी है आज तो चाय और वो मिलेगा. That was the thing. But because we were in college, we were all fun days. लेकिन when we attended the function, and when Dadaji spoke, I clearly remember the Chicago Motwane mic was there. Technically now I'm talking. And when Dada used to speak, those words of wisdom still ring in my ears, And karte karte I became a great fan of Dadaji.
He was an epitome of humility.
Yes,
He was also my guru and was with me for 25 years. So today, whatever I write, I sing. For example, you like the present moment. In one of the songs I've written, which is a Hindi song, it says, "Aage bhi jaane na tu, पीछे भी जाने ना तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है."
Beautiful.
So I take these songs sometimes and I convert them to some Jeevan Sangeet. My YouTube channel, I call it Jeevan Sangeet.
Yes, yes.
In that I say, इस पल जो खोता है जीवन को खोता है, इस पल में जीता जो जीवन को पाता है.
क्या बात है.
तो the point is हमें इस पल को नहीं खोना है.
Yes.
And people are so much living with fear, worry, stress, anxiety. There's so much. People are not able to live in the moment.
Correct.
And if only we learn to live in the moment, I think in the books again I say, moments, they create hours.
Yes.
Moments create hours, hours create days, days create weeks, months and years. If you lose the moment, you lose your life itself.
Yes.
Correct. So we
Yes,
have
yes.
to live in the moment.
Yes, Doc.
I'm sure you must be knowing that song. Do you remember the song, Apna Hai Ye Pal? Apna. You remember that song?
I remember. Vaguely, but
अपना है ये पल, कल अपना ना है, खोया जिसने पल, जीवन खोया है.
क्या बात है.
इस पल में जो जीता, वो ही सच में जीता, वरना जीना ना ये मरना है.
क्या बात है. अच्छा, आने वाला पल को आपने यूज किया. Oh, so lovely. Yes, yes.
So I try, but you are the music director, so I want you to give us a few of your songs today, because everybody who's listening to us would love to hear your songs. There was one song from your album Bevafai. So tell us which song is your favorite song from. Was it one about Chand? That one song about. You remember that song?
There was one that was in Pyar Parvatil. You're saying चांद बन के तुम गगन में, ये गाना तो नहीं ना?
And one in Bevafai. Whichever. Give us one of your favorite songs.
See, Bevafai album is very nostalgic to me because that time I was a part of a duo, Nikhil Vinay, and my partner decided to move to London, so I had to prove myself. So it was a challenge, So luckily T Series. Now it was run now by Bhushan Kumar ji. He said, Nikhil, you do it on your own. I trust you.
Okay.
So the album was sung by Sonu Nigam ji's father,
Okay.
Agam Kumar Nigam. For me, it was a challenge.
Okay.
Because with Sonu Nigam ji, I did so many songs. Acha Sila Diya, Tum Bin, so many songs. So for me, it was a challenge, So there was the first song which we did together was वो किसी और से मिलके आ रहे हैं टाडाडंग डंग टाडाडंग डंग टाडाडंग डंग टाडाडंग वो किसी और से मिलके आ रहे हैं फिर भी हम उनका इंतजार कर रहे हैं एक बेवफा से हम कितना प्यार कर रहे हैं,
अरे वाह,
एक बेवफा से हम कितना प्यार कर रहे हैं. So this was penned by my friend Praveen Bharadwaj ji.
what an amazing! You sing also so beautiful. Your music is so no, so it's so beautiful. And one thing, since you've made so many songs for so many Bollywood movies, you know what? Many of the songs प्यार भरे गीत भी है और बेवफाई के भी गीत बहुत है, करेक्ट?
Yes, yes, yes.
जो प्यार करता है उसका दिल टूटता है.
अच्छा.
तो बेवफाई होती है.
Right, right.
But I was blessed with something. I don't know if you read about this. It's called Prema Yoga. Prema Yoga वो प्यार है जिसमें दिल नहीं टूटता है.
अरे वाह.
तो it is a very beautiful because normally प्यार में क्या होता है, हम प्यार के लिए इंतजार करते हैं, करेक्ट?
Right.
कि somebody must love me. But in Prema Yoga, I love my beloved because I see my premi as my devi. When I see my premi as my devi, you know, something very beautiful happens, निखिल जी. एक तो हम किसी से प्यार करते हैं, फिर बेवफाई होती है. बेवफाई होती है, दिल टूटता है. But what happens in Prema Yoga, you enjoy loving God in one and all. So what I say in my Prema Yoga, I say, सब में प्रभु को देख के सबसे प्यार करना, प्रभु से प्यार करने का एक ही है रास्ता, सबसे प्यार कर लो. अगर हम प्रभु से प्यार करना चाहते हैं, कैसे करेंगे? प्रभु की भक्ति कर सकते हैं, पर प्रभु से प्यार कैसे कर सकते हैं? अगर हम इंसान में भगवान पा सकते हैं तो प्रभु से हम प्यार कर सकते हैं. एंड सो वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स व्हिच आई रोट एंड दिस टू डू विद बेवफाई, आई से, योगी जो प्रेम योगा करता उसे प्रसाद मिलता ये, प्रभु प्रेमी में आके फिर उसे प्यार करता है.
क्या बात है.
प्रभु का प्यार जिसको मिलता वो तो प्रेम योगी है, तन से वो प्यार ना करता रूह से प्यार करता है, प्रेमी में जो प्रभु देखे वही प्रभु पाता है, प्रभु देवी बनके उसे प्यार फिर करता है.
Wonderful.
So this is called Prema Yoga. Prema Yoga means, लोग कहते हैं योग means actually not this asana pranayama that people talk of. The word yoga, I don't know if you're familiar, comes
Yes.
from the word yuj. Yuj means union with God. जैसे हमारा सिम कार्ड है, हमारा सिम कार्ड सैटेलाइट से हमेशा कनेक्ट होता है. अगर हम कहीं जाते हैं, we go out of India also, roaming, it roams. It searches for network.
Yes.
तो योग में ध्यान योग, भक्ति योग, कर्म योग, ज्ञान योग, ये सब है. I was blessed with प्रेम योग. तो प्रेम योग मीन्स अगर हम सब में प्रभु देखेंगे, हमेशा उस प्रेम योग में रहेंगे, मीन्स वी आर कनेक्टेड टू द डिवाइन at all times.
Wonderful. This is some beautiful concept. I'm reading your books, but this
So
is
Prema
something
Yoga
you
you should read, because in Prema Yoga, if you read, and I'll send you my songs on a pen drive, we must send Nikhil ji's. In that I say, प्रभु के प्यार में ऐसा एक नशा है, प्रभु को प्रेम करने में ऐसा मजा है, प्रेमी में जो प्रभु पाता मस्ती में जीता है, प्रेम योग में जीता है, आनंदा में जीता है, प्रेम योग से मिलता निर्वाणा.
क्या बात है. Wonderful. प्रेम योग से मिलता है निर्वाणा.
Because प्रेम योग में you are able to be in that योग with प्रभु. हर एक, हम शैतान में भी भगवान देखें कैसे हो, तो मुश्किल है, लेकिन सच तो ये है, the reality in the Bible they say the kingdom of God is within. In the Upanishad तत्त्वमसि अयम आत्मा ब्रह्मा, which means कि जब मैं आपको देखता हूँ, I see you as Nikhil, but in reality I bow down to you as the divine. I bow down to you as God. This is the challenge.
This is something very beautiful I've learned. I usually follow it, but I'll make it more stronger in myself.
It's a beautiful concept. But tell us, there was another beautiful song of yours, Koi Faryad Peril Mein. So that song also was a big hit song.
Yes.
So tell us a few words of that song.
See, there was a situation in the film Tumbin where Priyanshu Chatterjee, the hero, has to go to the house of the boy he has killed by mistake in an accident.
Okay.
And there the entire business in Calgary is finished. And his fiancée is alone there. And he actually doesn't want to go and commit because that I was the one who drove the car which caused your fiancé's death.
Okay.
So this was the situation that was given to us. And so when we were making the music of Tumbin, we decided that this song should be unique. It should not be just another song which will be forgiven. तब बहुत पहले ना एक धुन बनी थी ला 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 ला
Yeah.
तो हम लोग ने ना जस्ट ऑन द लिफ्ट व्हेन वी सैट विद भूषण जी कि ऐसा एक ट्यून है तो ही लाइक द ट्यून बट देन ही सेड कि इसका क्या होगा तो फैज अनवर जो lyricist था he won't believe it in a flicker of a second at the lift when we were going down from Bhushan's house in Amarnath Tower when he was staying he just wrote लिख दो कोई फरियाद तेरे दिल में दबी हो जैसे ना अभी क्या हो गया था when this boy goes there Priyanshu from the movie he also falls in love with that lady so such a complicated thing now you're going to tell her that because of me your fiance passed away and at the same time I like you and that was because of some time factor he helps the industry he has fallen in love with her also now अभी दोनों कश्मकश हो गया अभी तो ये गाना which is had to represent that तो तूने आँखों से कोई बात कही हो जैसे
वाह वाह
जागते जागते तो ये गाना ऐसा बना
So sometimes love is such a beautiful emotion.
Yes.
People don't understand. You know, love, L-O-V-E, actually means longing of the soul. And is very passionate and creates an ecstasy of joy, L-O-V-E.
yes
But love has become transactional. When love becomes transactional, वो प्यार नहीं है.
जी बिल्कुल
So we have to be able to understand in the consciousness of Prema Yoga how love is actually a very divine emotion. So, you know, you talked about this, how people are distant from their premi and their beloved.
Yes,
Sometimes it's long distance relationships.
yes
In one of my songs, again a very popular tune, I say, Mere chit mein, chit means my consciousness. Mere chit mein aur khayal mein, तुम बस तुम ही हो एक पल भी ऐसा नहीं जिसमें तुम नहीं हो तू दिल की धड़कन तू मेरी जान हो तुम हो तो मैं हूँ तुम बिन नहीं हूँ कुछ भी नहीं हूँ कहीं दूर तो तुम तो नहीं हो दिल के अंदर हो तुम मेरे पास हो सब कुछ मेरे हो
wonderful wonderful
So this is the challenge how we have to make love a very divine emotion. Actually, हम समझते प्यार जो होता है एक तन से प्यार होता है. But in reality, प्यार आत्मा से होती है. Love comes from the soul. And that's why, of course, as a music composer,
Yes.
you need थोड़ा दिल टूटने वाला
yeah.
situations also because best songs are made where दिल टूटता है. और
right
जहाँ पे प्यार भी blossom होता है. Both the situations
yes,
are
yes
required.
बिल्कुल
But even the other song was very famous, which is "तुम बिन जिया जाए कैसे."
yes
Please tell us a little bit of that.
yeah in this film again this goes back to Tum Bin the heroine Sandali Sinha as I told you the story that she's remembering her fiance so we had to make one song where she's representing her feelings so she used to come to the recordings you know so many times I used to interact with her so I said Sandali how are you she's saying fine then I used to hear her voice she had a little sweet and very thin voice not very nice voice तो बार बार ना मैं ये सोचता था ये कौन गाएगा ये गाना ये कौन गाएगा whenever the song is made I used to discuss with Vinay also because Tumbin was a Nikhil Vinay com
Yeah.
कि Vinay ये voice है ना I'm trying to find this voice this is not the singers who are
You're not able to get, huh?
so one day I just called him up in the night when I said Vinay this is you know this is Chitra ji from South
Okay.
ये जब गाना बनेगा और संदली पे शूट होगा it has to be चित्रा जी from South oh my God I said yeah so when we sat ना एक ऐसा तुम बिन जिया जाए कैसे कैसे जिया जाए तुम बिन आ जाओ लौट कर तुम ये दिल कह रहा है
Wow.
हो 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 so जैसे गाना बन गया तो
Beautiful, beautiful.
भूषण जी ने बोला अभी गाना रिकॉर्ड करते सर एक रिक्वेस्ट है सर
Uh-huh.
ये गाना है ना चित्रा जी से गवाना है जो चेन्नई में रहती है जो अच्छा आपको एंड भूषण जी वाज सो नाइस भूषण कुमार जी जाके कर दो. So I called her up on the phone and I said,
Okay.
"Sir, this is the song.
हाँ,
The manager will talk to you about the terms and all." But she was not bothered. She said, "First you sing the song to me."
हाँ,
तो उस समय फोन पे मैंने गाना सुना उनको and I fixed the scale. जैसे आपके साथ मैंने scale fix किया.
हाँ,
And when we went to Chennai, you won't believe it, she knew the song. एक बार बोला आप लोग गा लो. So we sat. Then she said, "Can you give me at least 1 hour?" Because the situation which we told her, she got a little touchy about the situation. So she said, "You know, there is that Saravana Bhavan. बहुत अच्छा डिडली बिडली मिलता है. आप जाओ उधर."
हाँ.
So we went. I, Anubhav Sinha went. When we came back, she was ready.
The song.
In 1, 2, 3 takes, the song was over.
Amazing.
जैसे आज आपने गाया ना, आपने means you are ready now. So she was ready with the entire song. And this song, we started at 12 o'clock, you can say. 1 o'clock, the song was over. 3 full takes.
So sometimes when you're passionately doing it, then it happens, right?
It happens, it happens.
So sometimes when especially when the beloved and the lover is separated, I found that happening when I took up my spiritual life. I used to sing the same love songs to the divine. And one of the songs I wrote to the divine, I said, "Mere Pritam, Mere Premi, Prabhu sab kuch tumhi, tum bin Prabhu kya jeena." This kind of, when you are separated, but when you are having love for the divine, then I told Prabhu, तेरे लिए मैं हूँ प्यासा, पल पल मैं तुझको चाहता, सांसों में मेरे तू भरा. The problem with love for one human being to other human being is love breaks. और बहुत दुख होता है, दिल टूटता है. But love for the divine never breaks.
Yes, yes.
And this prema yoga is not just physical love. Physical love, ठीक है, because in somebody, in today's modern world, it's even become more. आजकल नया स्टाइल है, एक लड़का, he will go on his knees and offer the girl a ring and say, "Will you marry me?" आजकल वो पुराने जमाने का स्टाइल चले गया. Somebody is going to Matterhorn in Switzerland and taking a helicopter to impress his girlfriend. Okay, will you marry? Somebody is going. They went to Dubai and he threw the ring to the dolphins in the dolphin park. And the dolphin threw the ring back to the girlfriend. And she opened and says, "Will you marry?" So life has changed a lot, and physical presence is required. But I think more than physical presence, Nikhil ji, if pyar comes from the soul, from the depth of within, this becomes eternal.
Yes.
Hamesha ka pyar.
Yes.
In one of the songs, I've written many songs. You may get tired of I'm not so good in singing like you are.
No, I love all your thoughts, all your books, all your words.
So one day I was singing to God and I told him, this is one of my favorite thoughts. See if you like the thought. I said, "Mere dil mein बस एक तुम ही हो, तन मन में और कोई नहीं हो, ऐसा हो जाए बस एक तुम ही हो, इतना भर दे के और कुछ नहीं हो."
क्या बात है?
In this song, I don't know where it came from. I said, "है ये आस्था, मुकम्मल तुम ही हो, जीवन में मेरे और कुछ नहीं हो, तन मन मेरा तुम ही हो, और कुछ भी आए जगह नहीं हो."
क्या बात है?
मेरे तन मन में मुकम्मल तुम ही हो, बस एक तुम ही हो, बस एक तुम ही हो. So I am trying to teach people true love. And true love is so beautiful. True love is so beautiful. I was listening to one of your songs. Again, I think it is to do with so much of love and heartache. The song is called Shukriya, Shukriya. So tell us, how did that song happen? And tell us a little bit of that song.
Shukriya, Shukriya. Again, when the first album did well, I was told to do the next album. Again, this has a tinge of Bevafai because basically that's not my nature. But when you have to compose music,
You have to compose.
then you have to compose music. There are no excuses. Then you get into the feeling of a person who has been betrayed. But basic मेरे nature में ही नहीं है सब. मेरे सब पुराने दोस्त मेरे साथ में हैं. My college friends are still my friends. My school friends are still my friends. Even though I'm not working with my partner Vinay, We are the best of friends.
Very good.
Best of friends.
But movies में अगर बेवफाई नहीं होती तो मूवी में मसाला कैसे आएगा?
Masala nahi correct. So I don't have any strained relationship with anyone
Very
because
good.
I believe in you, whatever your principles are of whatever you're writing. I'm following that even now.
Very good.
आपने इतने books दिए, I read every day one at least 10 pages of each book.
Very
मैंने ऐसा रखा है ये 5 book के पहले 5 page. You know, so I'm finishing all your thoughts they ring in my day to day life.
very nice.
तो वही शुक्रिया वाज अनदर बेवफाई सॉन्ग. तो उसमें मैंने क्या बोला कि शुक्रिया शुक्रिया दर्द जो तुमने दिया,
अरे वाह.
ये खता हमसे हुई प्यार जो तुमसे किया, ना कोई शिकवा गिला तुमसे ओ बेवफा, प्यार तो था ही नहीं प्यार जो तुमने किया, शुक्रिया दर्द जो तुमने दिया.
So don't you see how
Yeah,
even though you don't like so much of the दिल टूटने वाले songs,
yes,
but in the movies you say कितना दिल टूटता है और in reality also
yes,
दिल टूटता है.
दिल टूटता है.
But the point is actually the organ of the heart, actually the love is not in the heart. For your, I don't know whether you've studied this, why the heart feels like pyar? Because the brain pumps more blood to the heart, creates more, and so the heart starts beating.
Yes,
And people think the heart is the organ of love. वो दिल जो है ये दिल है कि मानता
नहीं. Yes. But sir, एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ, from your books, from what I can get ना, is that when you learn to give more and take less, no, and spread love, even if you are going through turmoil ना, you will come out of it.
हाँ, because love is flowing out
Love
of
is
you.
flowing out of you. तो ये मैं, because sometimes small अनबन होते हैं ना, तो पहले I has to give a lot of thought to it, you know. But now I don't care. I forgive the person. Nothing, sir. Don't worry. I bless you. So I'm always at ease now. This
That is your grace, your graceful, your humility is beautiful that you feel. But प्यार में भी ना निखिल, we are wanting प्यार.
exactly.
We are feeling कि तुम मुझे प्यार करो, ये प्यार है. But in reality, what I have learned कि तुम मुझे प्यार करना प्यार नहीं होता है. मैं तुम्हें प्यार करता हूँ.
Correct. No expectation.
हाँ, the moment you have expectation, वो प्यार it becomes a transaction.
It becomes a
हाँ,
transaction.
तुम मुझे प्यार करो, मैं तुम्हें प्यार करूंगा, तुम नहीं करोगी तो मैं नहीं करूंगा. So there's a very old Hindi tune, which is one of my favorite tunes. I've written a very interesting concept. It says, रूह से रूह का प्यार जो करता, उसका दिल ना टूटता है, प्रेमी से उम्मीदें ना है, प्रेमी तो फिर देवी है, शर्तों पे निर्भर प्यार ना है, प्यार ऐसा तो पूजा है, प्रेमी में जो प्रभु पाता है, दिल उसका ना टूटता है.
बहुत अच्छा.
प्रेमी की खुशी वो है चाहता. Look at this. प्रेमी की खुशी वो है चाहता, प्रेमी के सुख में वो खुश है, प्रेमी चाहे दूर भी हो तो प्रेमी दिल के अंदर है.
क्या बात है.
प्रेम योग में हमें जीना है, एक मुनि श्री सिखाते थे. क्या? तुम आओ तो भी खुश, ना आओ तो भी खुश.
क्या बात है.
जो मिलो तो भी खुश, ना मिलो तो भी खुश. यही तो प्रॉब्लम है ना, हम दुखी हो जाते हैं. किसी से दूर रहकर दुखी ना होना है, एक मुनि श्री सिखाते. तो मैं तुम्हें इतना प्यार करता हूँ और मैं कहता हूँ कि तुम आओ तो भी खुश, ना आओ तो भी खुश. मैं तुम्हें प्यार करता हूँ. This is a beautiful way to love. And Nikhil, I have learned earlier I could not love like this. So now my love flows to all.
I've seen that.
And you know, you love everybody. कितना सुख होता है, कितना, what amount of ecstasy is very, very beautiful. Your one song, I think about this love for a change, we'll go to a love song is हम तुम्हारे हैं तो हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम.
Yes.
तो उसमें कुछ बेवफाई तो नहीं है
नहीं,
ना?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
तो tell us, give us a little sing of that song.
Yeah. See, when this album was being released, one day T-Series Bhushan ji came to me and Vinay. He said, I need one title song for this movie, Hum Tumhare Sanam. Because
That's how they do it.
Yeah, because when we saw the catalog, there was no title song only. With this such a big romantic title. तो I don't know क्या हो गया, कुछ राग भैरवी कुछ बजा रहा था. हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, जाने मन मोहब्बत की हर कसम
अरे वाह,
की कसम ना
it's
रुलाएंगे
such a hit song, what a beautiful
yeah yeah
song,
yeah
no?
yeah yeah
And how you get that, you get in your consciousness, how you get that spark of an idea.
yes
कैसे आता है? आप ऐसे बजा बजा
बजा बजा के एक फीलिंग आता है देन समीर जी रोट इट एक्चुअली ये गाने का अंतरा पहले बनाया
क्या था?
तो तुमको धड़कन में यूं बसाना है ना 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 रात मुश्किल दिन है भारी ना 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 नी 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 ना 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 हम तुम्हारे
It's a popular, very popular,
yeah, then
very
this
popular.
was a solo. When we recorded this song, within 3 days, it was picturized. And it was done very suddenly because the audio had to be released. And it was the greatness of Shah Rukh ji also. He, because he understood that this film required a song. And naturally, Madhuri ji and everybody and blessings of God,
हाँ,
that this song was shot in Mahabaleshwar.
okay.
In a very short stint. I remember Farah Khan, she came to the studio. She sang, yeah, Nikhil, what, kya sunao? Sunao humko. I said, this is the song. Oh my God. This is a big song. Violins both the chorus and everything. But she somehow, Farah ji, she took out some trick, by which she could shoot the song in 2 days. And
Amazing.
Amazing. I mean, again, I think it's all God's wish, This song had to take place. And, it really, it was very, it got us a lot of glory,
It's very, very beautiful. Since you are the music composer and you create so much beautiful music, I'm now writing my 89th book. And in every month, God gives me a book. It comes automatically.
Tremendous.
So, in one of the books I write to people, I say, एक और एक कहते हैं दो. और कोई कोई कहता है एक और एक कहते हैं 11. ये भी आपने सुना होगा.
हाँ.
एक और एक दो and एक और एक 11. But in Prema Yoga, in real love, एक और एक ना दो ना 11. एक और एक is equal to एक.
क्या बात है.
1 plus 1, when 1 plus 1 becomes 1,
अरे.
ना आप ना तुम हो ना मैं हूँ, हम दोनों एक हो गए. Then the pyar, problem is husband and wife, they are going to a restaurant. Husband says, I want tandoori, wife says, I want Chinese. Neither he's happy nor she's happy. So the problem is how can love reach that state of, even in, I hope Bollywood, of course, you can make Dil Tootne Wale songs and things like that, but teach people Prema Yoga and teach people that state of eternal love. In one of my songs, I tell my Premi in one of the songs, and all my Premi is not just the skin. When I love my beloved, I'm loving the beloved as the divine. That is my love. And in one song, I tell my beloved, अब समझा मैं इतना प्यार तुझसे क्यों करता रे प्रीतम मेरे अब समझा तुझ पे क्यों मरता मैं तुझ में मुझे रब दिखता तू मेरी देवी है तू मेरी रूह है प्रीतम प्रेमी तू देवी है तुझसे होता है प्रेम योगा ओ तेरे प्यार से मुझे प्रभु मिलता तुझसे जब मैं प्यार करूं रब से तब मैं प्यार करूं because निखिल जी if we realize कि हर इंसान सच में भगवान है. You know the simple logic how this is, just I want to quickly tell you. आपका बर्थडे कब है?
15th October.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you know mine is also?
Oh my God.
But not mine, this body's.
Right.
15th October,
Yes,
this
sir.
body was born, and 15th October, this.
Oh my God.
Can you
imagine?
We had no clue.
No clue.
But today, so they used to cut my cake on 15th October. Lekin I told them, 15th October, if we both were born, then 14th October, how we were kicking our mother? हम तो माँ को लात मार रहे थे 14th October, 13th October, कुछ डाउट है?
No है.
तो कभी एक्चुअली हम कब जन्म लिए थे? We were conceived not on 15th October. We arrived. तो मैं लोगों को क्या कहता हूँ? मैं कहता हूँ बधाई हो बधाई आगमन दिन की तुमको. बधाई हो बधाई आगमन दिन की तुमको. आगमन दिन ये तुम्हारा जन्मदिन नहीं ये तो आगमन दिन ये तुम्हारा जन्मदिन नहीं ये तो जिसको एहसास हो जाए आगमन दिन है ये.
क्या बात है.
ये तो आगमन दिवस है.
Yes.
जन्म तो 9 महीने पहले हुआ.
Right.
9 महीने पहले जब आपका एक युगमंच, एक कण आपके माँ के गर्भ में था, can you change your mother after that?
No.
How can you? You're already planted in your mother. That means you are already conceived. So this one cell, from one cell, Nikhil, 1 से 2, 2 से 4, 4, this is how it grows. And this is simple understanding. अगर मैं वो एक कण था, एक सेल था, तो मैं क्या था? वो सेल में आत्मा है.
बिल्कुल.
And that is our true identity. One day the body will die. और लोग कहेंगे कि वो चल बसे. कौन चल बसे? वो तो यही है, ये वो नहीं है, ये तो बस उसके शरीर है.
Correct.
तो हम शरीर को छोड़ के हम निकल जाते हैं. तो हम कौन हैं?
Atman.
So this is the ultimate truth.
This is the ultimate. Yes.
And this, if we realize, then we are able to. That's why I also enjoyed listening to one of your very beautiful spiritual songs. I think it is Ashutosh Shashank Shekhar, something like
that
that.
is a traditional song.
But that's also a very beautiful song. Tell us a little bit of that.
Yeah. I don't remember the lyrics much.
हाँ, थोड़ा जो भी
But वो एक शिव महापुराण serial था, directed by Babubhai Mistry, 40 series, and he was the first special effects wizards of Bollywood.
Wow.
वो जो films होते थे ना, भगवान उड़ते थे,
हाँ.
तो he was the man without any technology used to make it possible. And he is the man who gave a break to Lakshmikant Pyarelal ji in Parasmani.
Okay, so amazing.
So imagine, so I got a chance to work with him.
And that was a tune created.
That was a tune created for the serial Shiv Mahapuran, and which is now I think it's 10-15 crore views आगे वो. To the simple tune, आशुतोष शशांक शेखर चंद्रमौली चिदंबरा. Then it was written. Yeah. Many people feel it's a traditional tune, but as far as I know, I didn't pick it up from anyone.
But it's a very.
But then it became so popular. Recently, T-Series added my name as a composer there. Because उसका कुछ ज़्यादा record नहीं था. But वो गाना सोनू निगम जी ने गाया था.
But sometimes it's like that. Because of your magic composing, the tune becomes very famous.
Yes.
And this is very famous tune. You must have definitely heard it. It says la na 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 na. इसको बोलते हैं माया मंत्र. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. So for me, this is called Dvaita. द्वैता मतलब मैं और प्रभु अलग है, लेकिन अद्वैता का मतलब प्रभु और मैं अलग नहीं. मैं कुछ भी नहीं, प्रभु सब कुछ तो ही. तो in this song I took the tune. How you Ashutosh Shekhar? I say प्रभु पास है, दूर नहीं वो प्रभु पास है, आत्मा ही परमात्मा है, दिल के अंदर उसका निवास है. शिव भी वही राम है.
क्या बात है.
हनुमान वही घनश्याम है.
क्या बात है. लवली. और आपने बहुत अच्छा गाया.
ये तो वो गवाते हैं. तो the truth is हम लड़ते हैं. we are all fighting. Unfortunately ये मेरा भगवान है, ये तेरा भगवान है. अरे थोड़ी दुनिया तो एक ही है ना, प्रपंच तो एक है. ऐसे थोड़ी कि ऊपर आसमान पे कई भगवान बैठे हैं और एक दूसरे से लड़ाई कर रहे हैं ना. How would the earth rotate so beautifully? How would it revolve? And how this whole world is running so precisely? कभी ऐसा नहीं होता कि सवेरे आपने उठा और देखा कि आज सूरज नहीं निकला है. ऐसे होता है कभी?
नहीं, कभी नहीं हुआ. Perfect.
So it is so beautiful. Tell me, have you had some times in life where you have lost faith or you have felt dejected, and how have you come over that?
I've never lost faith, but actually good. Sometimes there are times which are not good. But to bounce back, it's only my faith that has always.
What are some of the habits you have to bring back faith? You sing or you do something else?
Yeah. See, first since the last 10 years, I'm doing my morning meditation, which has really helped. I become an early riser, and after getting up early, first of all, no phone, nothing. Only you light a lamp and you talk to the lamp.
Wow. You tell us more about
this. This is my routine. I'm a lover of candles. Like stationery and candles. I control nahi kar sakta.
Okay.
So when I get up in the morning, the first thing I go and I light a candle. I'm also a follower of Sri Swami Samartha because he's been my guru from a very young age.
Very good.
So मैं उनके सामने एक दिया जलाता हूँ. And when I light the lamp, the first thing in the morning, I take a little wash, a very fast wash before
Yeah.
And then I go and light this lamp in front of God, and I say कि now जैसे आप में वो उजाला है ना, मेरा आज आप उजाला कर दो बस.
So that's your
that
consciousness.
is my consciousness. And then in the morning now, I do a little meditation immediately. I sit a little far from the lamp, and I close my eyes and I focus onto the lamp and I meditate for 10 minutes starting.
Just silence, or you sing a song?
No,
or
I silent, absolutely silent. And I say a mantra, any mantra you can say. So you start your day with that. उसके बाद आप gratefulness prayer बोलो.
तो क्या है आपका?
Grateful, thank you God, thank you कि I'm alive today. कि आज मैं उठा हूँ, बस मेरी लाज रखना. और I'm so happy मेरे पास ये है, मेरे पास छत है. You know,
Grateful, your
I'm
gratitude.
gratitude बहुत important. I write a gratitude journal
Every day.
every day. वो पढ़ा ही है उधर.
Very, हाँ, but
रात
you
को
write
भी
it. हाँ.
I write it. इसलिए मैं बोला स्टेशनरी से बहुत शौक है.
Candle and stationery.
कैंडल एंड स्टेशनरी बहुत जरूरी है. सी वो जो लाइट है ना कैंडल, दैट शोज ब्राइटनेस ऑफ लाइफ. इट शोज दैट देयर इज पॉजिटिविटी.
So, what is the secret of your happiness? You are such a happy and cheerful person. So, what makes you happy and cheerful?
See, the first thing that makes me happy and cheerful now is that first of all, be grateful for whatever you have. See, for whatever you have, there are people who may not have it.
Correct.
So
And you had-
ये तो देखो, again it goes back to Dadaji only.
Correct. But have you had some very tough times? in
Yes,
life
I had
earlier?
very tough times, sir.
So,
Very tough time. I was only 13 years old when my father expired.
So there were tough times. in
Very
life.
tough times, but I never lost hope. And I saw magic taking place because of prayer, because of, being on the right path. Even that time I was on the right path. So try to be on the right path, jitna possible ho. Do good things in a day. In the night when you journal, say what good things you have done.
You're
That
a man of a lot of faith. One thing very beautiful. I don't know if have you heard of the poem Footprints? Have you heard of the poem Footprints?
no.
Footprints में एक ऐसा story है कि I used to walk, and whenever I used to walk, when I turned back, there were two set of footprints. तो मेरे footprints हैं और किसके footprints हैं? So then I came to know that there is some magic happening in my life. So I wrote a Hindi song. Because I write books in English and I write songs in Hindi. This is about my grace. So I don't know if you'll follow what I'm saying in this song. I say, जब भी मैं चलता था, प्रभु चलते साथ मेरे साए में थे वो, और फिर चैन से चलता था मैं, फिर एक दिन वो ना दिखा, रोके मैंने पूछा, कैसा जीवन दिया मुझे, साथ कोई ना मेरा, साथ कोई ना. तो I was in my tough times, I saw you were not with me. Then प्रभु ने फिर ये समझाया, क्यों अटल विश्वास नहीं, तेरे अंधेरी रात में मैं तो जाता कहीं नहीं.
क्या बात है.
जब साया में ना दिखा, जब साया में ना दिखा, गोद में तू मेरे था.
क्या बात है. Superb.
So this is the footprints you're seeing were not your footprints.
They were mine.
I was carrying you in your toughest tough times.
What a thought.
So this is how, if we can live with faith, if we can live with hope, this is magical. Tell us one or two of your favorite songs when you were growing up in life. Which are one or two of your favorite songs? Any song.
I was a great fan of poet Yogesh ji.
Okay.
Who wrote Kahi Dur Jab Din Dal Jaye.
Okay.
So when we got a break in T-Series now, you won't believe it. We went and found where Yogesh ji used to stay.
Okay.
I was a great fan because he wrote many songs. Many songs. Kahi Dur Jab Din Dal Jaye, Aaye Tum Yaad Mujhe, and Jaane Man Tere Do Nayan.
Which song you used to hum? Which song
So
you
I
used?
like many songs. मैंने स्कूल में गाना गाया था. कहाँ तक ये मन को अंधेरे चलेंगे, उदासी भरे दिन कभी तो ढलेंगे.
वाह, अरे वाह.
करेक्ट.
Beautiful.
स्कूल में 7th स्टैंडर्ड में गाना गाया.
Same poet. He's the same person as
मैंने और वो लोगों को बोला, सर ये गाना योगेश जी ने लिखा है, कवि योगेश. तो नोबडी न्यू. और ये म्यूजिक राजेश रोशन ने दिया है फिल्म बातों बातों में. तो पीपल वर वंडरिंग ये क्या बोल रहा है. गाना जल्दी गा लो. कभी दुख कभी सुख यही जिंदगी है, ये पतझड़ का मौसम घड़ी दो घड़ी.
वाह.
ये पतझड़ का मौसम घनी दो घड़ी है. This is a little bit of the lyrics.
Oh, beautiful.
Huh?
What amazing. I mean, the way you're saying it itself, it's coming from your soul. It's coming from the depth of your
तो
heart.
ये गाने मैं सुनता था जब मैं म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर बना. तो एक दिन मैं विनय को बोला, विनय, you know where Yogesh ji stays? Because he was in the line before me. He said, I think he stays somewhere near Goregaon, opposite Filmala studio. You won't believe it, at 11:30 in the night we reached his house.
Then?
He opened the door. He knew Vinay.
Oh,
Because Vinay used to go to Usha Khanna ji's house.
very
And
good.
Yogesh ji, he was also shocked. So we knocked on his house. So he said, ये निखिल है तो हाँ आ जाओ आ जाओ. He was very cordial, Yogesh ji.
God.
तो इसे हम लोग को ब्रेक मिला है टी सीरीज से, आपको गाने लिखने हैं.
And then he,
Yogesh ji wrote some wonderful songs for us.
which any song is
सपनों में आना, दिल में समाना, प्यार क्या है मुझे तुम बताना.
अरे वाह.
चोर और चांद फिल्म,
अरे
आदित्य पंचोली, पूजा भट्ट, ऑल सॉन्ग्स एसपी बालासुब्रमण्यम.
वाह.
और ये गाने जब आए आफ्टर प्यार भरा दिल, सुपर हिट हो गए ये एल्बम. बिकॉज they were little different, you know.
So you had so many super hits, no? I mean, you can't count how many super hits you have.
सिर्फ जो दिल से काम किया वो लोगों ने पसंद किया, बस वही फॉर्मूला है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि ये एक सुपर हिट काम है. वी डिडंट नो व्हाट वाज सुपर हिट और नॉट.
But you know, when I look at you, I find that you have so much peace, and that is the blessing. One of the songs I've written, I don't know whether you heard this, also a tune which you must have known. The song says, "Shanti se mila, kya hasi anand, सत्य के चित में मिला, सच्चिदानंद."
क्या बात है.
In this song, I tell people, मन बड़ा है चोर, चैन चुराता है, डर और चिंता में हमें डुबाता है, मिथ्य दिखाता है, सत्य छुपाता है, शांति जो अपनी मन चुराता है.
क्या बात है.
मन को है मारना, दुश्मन बड़ा है वो, मन को जो मारे, शांति वो पाता. So I have written 400-500 songs from popular tunes, not for any other reason, but to inspire people to live. I was recently, I was with one of our celebrities. I was doing some podcasts.
Yeah.
And I told him, what is your favorite song? He said, जिंदगी का सफर
क्या बात
है ये कैसा सफर, कोई समझा नहीं, कोई जाना नहीं. So luckily I had written a song similar to that. I told, but मैंने इसको फिरा के लिखा है. He said, क्या लिखा है तुमने? बोलो. He was not so much interested in my subject. But he said, I told him, जिंदगी का सफर, मोक्ष का ये सफर, कौन हूँ मैं जानना ये, और क्यों आया यही, कर्मों के कारण ही जीते हैं हम सभी, कर्मों से हो मुक्ति, मोक्ष पाना यही.
क्या बात है. I'm understanding the thought, you know.
Yeah. So you know,
जो आपका कंसेप्ट है ना,
sometimes people don't understand.
मैंने मैनिफेस्ट किया था कि मैं आपसे मिलने वाला हूँ.
But पता है manifestation कैसे काम करता है, पता है आपको? Manifestation comes from the law of attraction, correct? Attraction. I've written a new book by Rupa Publishers. It's getting published. I'll send you a copy. I've written Attraction, ATTRACTION. Attraction में आप action निकाल दो. Attraction से action निकालेगा तो ATT attract. कुछ नहीं बचेगा. तो आपने क्या किया? आपको manifest हुआ कि मुझे ऐसे मिलना है. आपने एक ही नंबर उठा के एक मैसेज आपने भेजा. मैं आपके पास दौड़ते दौड़ते आ गया.
एंड दैट बुक इतना बड़ा, इसमें से वही बुक कैसे आ गया? किसी ने देखा भी? दैट स्टैक्ड बुक्स.
The magic book.
Yeah,
What are you going to do with
मैंने
it?
उनको 7 बजे मैसेज किया मैं.
So you took action.
I took action.
Your attraction was only workable. Manifestation happened only because of action.
Yes.
लोग समझते हैं ना, लोग समझते हैं मैं ऐसे बैठूंगा और मैं बोलूंगा कॉफी 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 आके पहुंच जाएगा.
नहीं.
ना.
There are 3-4 more writers I communicated with. You know, I'm just sharing on different fields. But many of them did not reply to my email.
But you took action.
I took my action. No regret.
पता है क्यों नहीं उठा है? You know why it happens? Because people ask the question, अच्छे लोगों के साथ बुरा क्यों होता है?
हाँ.
अच्छे लोगों के साथ बुरा क्यों होता है? तो मैं उनको पूछता हूँ, if I'm in Mumbai, ऐसे मुंबई में सेब के झाड़ में मैंगो मिलता है. बोलते बॉम्बे में तो नहीं मिलता है, कैसे मिलेगा? अगर बेंगलोर में आओ, बेंगलोर में मिलेगा। बेंगलोर में सेब के झाड़ में मैंगो मिलेगा। बोलते ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है यार? ऐसे ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता, हो ही नहीं सकता, पूरी दुनिया में नहीं हो सकता है। तो अगर निखिल जी, अगर कोई अच्छा आदमी से कुछ बुराई हो रहा है, उसका मतलब क्या है? उसका मतलब ये आदमी अच्छा है, लेकिन कभी ना कभी उसने बुराई का बीज बोया है। इस जन्म में नहीं बोया होगा तो पिछले
Yes,
जन्म में
yes.
बोया है, नहीं तो बुराई नहीं होगा।
Correct, the law of karma you're talking.
Law of
Yeah,
karma.
yeah, yeah.
The law of karma is a law which we cannot circumvent.
Yes, yes.
कोई भी दुनिया कर्म के कानून से बच नहीं सकता
Correct.
है।
I believe. मैं रात को जब बैठता हूँ ना, तो अगर कुछ मिस्टेक हुआ ना, मुझे immediately एहसास होता है.
And you try to sort it
I
out.
sort it there and there, and I follow my inner voice.
And you are a very divine person.
मैं और वो inner voice है, वो सब बता देता है मुझे कि you have to take care of this person. I'm going to take care of you for that. और वो टेक आता है और जाता है.
Beautiful. और पता है इनर वॉइस दो तरह की होती है। इनर वॉइस लोग नहीं जानते, इनर वॉइस भी दो होते हैं। एक इनर वॉइस मन का होता है जो हमें उल्लू बनाता है, और एक इनर वॉइस हमें शांति से मिलती है, वो चित्त का है, वो विवेक की है, वो बुद्धि की है। So there are two voices. I'm just telling you, one inner voice. हाँ, it's a very सब बड़ी से हम लोग inner voice में, अरे वो inner voice शैतान का है। Beware, सावधान। Your inner voice must come in chitta, in satya chitta. Then it's right. So before we end this, we are going to today. I'm going to ask Nikhil ji about how beautifully he made the tune. Today we made a tune, and I'm just going to give you a few lines. It's not yet. The song is going to be released later, but with his permission, I will just hum few words, just a few.
Please,
words.
please.
Today we recorded this song, and I want to know from you how you made the tune and things like that.
Yes.
The song says, मंत्र जीने का शांति आनंद प्यार, मंत्र जीने का शांति आनंद प्यार, खोजे हर इंसान यहाँ शांति सुख और प्यार, फंस के जग जंजाल में लौटता है बार बार, सूत्र जीने का शांति आनंद प्यार, मंत्र जीने का शांति आनंद प्यार. I am folding hands and bowing down to you for what a beautiful tune you created. He created the tune, and in a matter of hours, the divine sent me the words. Then I humbly sent back the words to him in a scratch. And today we are in Bombay, and we have recorded this song at his studio, at his group studio. I'm grateful to you. Tell us, how did you do this tune, और कैसे आपने मुझे tune भेजा? Tell us something about it.
जैसे मैंने वो बुक का फोटो भेजा, then I was in touch with your team. स्वीजल was handling. तो फिर आपने गाने कुछ भेजे, फिर मेरे आपसे बात हुई. तब जब आपके गाने मैंने सुने, I saw that you have this nice way of expressing your song in long thoughts.
Okay.
So I said, if I make a composition and send it to you, तो the first tune आपको अगर याद हो, ना 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 ना, मैंने ऐसे ही भेजा, गुनगुना के ही भेजा.
Yes, yes.
I don't think there was any track or anything.
Yes, बिल्कुल scratch.
एकदम सिंपल ट्यून था. मुझे लगा कि आप बहुत अच्छा लिखेंगे. तो I understood the way you write first, कि आप ऐसे शब्द, ऐसे लॉन्ग शब्द बहुत अच्छा लिखते हैं. देन स्केल का मुझे पता नहीं था, बट मैं अंदाजा लिया, क्योंकि आपका भी है ना थोड़ा रेंज, स्वीट रेंज है. जैसे जगजीत जी का होता है ना, लो एंड नाइस. ईच वॉइस का एक नेचर. मेरा हाई है. मैं सच बोलूं, मैं लो नहीं गा सकता. मैनेज कर रहा हूं अभी, बट मेरा वो रेंज नहीं है. सो मैं आई स्टार्टेड इमेजिनिंग योर वॉइस, कि आपका एक गाना मैं सुन रहा हूँ, तो ये जो धुन, आई वाज इमेजिनिंग कि आप कैसे गाएंगे. एंड देन वी पुट इट इनटू वन. फिर आपने लिखा गाना, फिर वो मैंने वो गाना बना के वही ट्रैक में, एक सिंपल ट्रैक में आपको वापस भेजा. सो इट वाज अ वेरी गुड इंटरेक्शन. ऐसा हो रहा था कि भगवान हमसे सिटिंग करवा रहा है. हम वी यूज द वर्ड सिटिंग इन द बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री. तो हमारी सिटिंग हो रही थी थ्रू व्हाट्सएप. फिर कैसा, मैंने एक और ट्रैक भेजा, आपने उस पर भी गा के भेजा. फिर मैं विद म्यूजिक गाना भेजा, फिर उसमें भी आपने डब करके भेजा. सो यू नो, यू वर लिटरली जस्ट फॉलोइंग माय पाथ, एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी, बिकॉज फॉर अ कंपोजर ना, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि सिंगर हैज फेथ. और आपने वो फेथ दिखाया. कभी भी ये नहीं कि ये ऐसा हो सकता है, ये ऐसा हो सकता है. हालांकि सजेशंस आर वेलकम, बट आपने वो बहुत
नहीं. टू थिंग्स, द ट्यून यू मेड वाज फैंटास्टिक, एंड जो वर्ड्स मैंने लिखा, आपने उन वर्ड्स को कैसे मैजिक दिया. यू few words, you just gave it your magical touch, and I'm sure this the world will benefit with this song. कि मंत्र जीने का, जीवन जीवन का मंत्र क्या है? शांति, आनंद
और
और प्यार.
इससे बड़ा लाइन सर बहुत दिनों के बाद मैंने इतना सिंपल लाइन में इतनी बड़ी बात, मंत्र जीने का.
Peace, love and bliss.
एग्जैक्टली,
If only we can have this.
Yes.
और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में?
बिल्कुल. And I think that is why I feel I am also very blessed कि अभी आज भी मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. It's very difficult to sustain in the music industry, but कुछ अच्छे कर्मों के वजह से मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि I'm still doing something and I'm working, you know.
You're a divine person, and main thing, you're such an elevated soul. कि now you're into this. अगर आपके हाथों से लोगों को ये जीने का मकसद प्राप्त हो, through your divine instrument, through you as the divine instrument, if you can transform the world through some of these songs, you and me will be gone, but this will last for hundreds of years. That is my humble prayer and request.
नहीं, I must thank you, Air साहब. Thank you. I call you Air साहब. Is it okay?
कुछ भी बोलो, मैं लोग मुझे बोलते आप कौन है? आप एयर है. तो ऐसे हाँ एयर, हवा, ऐसे हवा. तो आई टेल हवा तो हर जगह, पंछी देखते नहीं, उसमें उड़ते महसूस करते नहीं, पानी तो हर जगह, मछली देखते नहीं,
अरे वाह, क्या गाना है.
उसमें तैरते महसूस करते नहीं, प्रभु तो हर जगह, उन्हें देखते नहीं,
वाह,
वो हर शय में समा, उन्हें जानते नहीं.
क्या बात है सर. साहब, I must thank you. I am so happy because ever since those books have come, believe me, every day has become so beautiful. I'm looking forward to something, because something to learn, no?
You are such a humble, you're an epitome of humility. I must bow down to you. Thank you so much. You have spent the whole day today with us on the song recording and today now, and you've put so much effort to create the music and then the studio. I'm grateful. Hope our efforts will help the world change and transform and reach that eternal happiness through enlightenment.
I'm sure.
I thank you.
I also thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for patiently listening to the video. And if you have questions, if you want to contact me, just WhatsApp me on 98451 55555. WhatsApp India 919845155555. 55555. But if you want to get answers to your questions, then come on Zoom, and the Zoom ID is on your screen. Every day at 8, you will find answers to all the difficult questions of life. See you there.